Have you come across MagVision 160% zoom glasses and are thinking of buying them? Before placing an order, let's take a closer look. Are these glasses truly helpful for improving close-up vision, or just another, as seen on TV, gimmick? Let's go through the key details so you can decide for yourself. MagVision is advertised as a pair of magnifying glasses that enhance your vision up to 160%. No prescription needed. They're lightweight, flexible, and made with scratch-resistant polycarbonate lenses. Perfect for reading, crafting, fixing electronics, or even threading a needle. But before you buy, here are a few things to keep in mind. First, check if the website explains how the product works. Are the magnification details clear? Do they mention who can use it and how? A real product should provide those answers. Second, take a look at the images. Are they original and detailed? Do they show the glasses being used in real situations? Stock photos or poor quality images could be a red flag. Next, read the product description carefully. Look for key specs like lens material, magnification strength, and whether they can be worn over regular glasses. Then, check out the seller's information. Is there a real company name, address, or business history? If the site is vague about who they are, be cautious. Also, verify the contact details. Does the site have a working phone number and a professional email? Try reaching out. If there's no response or the email looks generic, that's a warning sign. And don't forget to check for real customer reviews. Look on YouTube, Amazon, and trusted review sites. If the feedback is all 5-star with no real details, they might not be real. Finally, use a domain checker to see how long the website has been around. If it's brand new and only selling viral products, you might want to hold off. MagVision zoom glasses could be a handy tool if they live up to the promise, but always do your homework before you buy. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more smart shopping tips. And let us know in the comments, have you ever tried zoom or magnifying glasses before? Did they work for you?